It's easy for couples to call it quits and throw in the towel on your relationship because everything isn't perfect anymore. The real personalities start to shine. Marriage, the lifelong commitment it is not what most people think it is. It's not always waking up every morning to make breakfast and eat together, cuddling in bed until both of you fall asleep, having a clean home filled with laughter and lovemaking every day. It's oftentimes dealing with someone who steals all the covers, who snores. It's slammed doors, a few harsh words at times. It's stubbornly disagreeing and giving each other the silent treatment until both heal, and then offering forgiveness. It's coming home to the same person every day that you know loves you in spite of everything and because of everything.
I would describe Brett as the most humble, honest person I know. And he is the most morally good person I've ever met.
We met at work. I was working an extra job at the medical center, and I had seen her for a while there, but it had probably been a couple months before we actually even spoke.
I messaged him on LinkedIn. That's how I started it. I friend requested him on LinkedIn. We just started meeting for lunch and just started hanging out more and more and more. There were days when we raged. We flew off the page and Damon was done. I never vowed to never let that happen again. Because I made it through, because somebody knew that I was meant for you. I vow to always trust you because I've learned it's not always the way you talk me off the roof. Your questions like directions to the truth. It's knowing that this can't go on forever, that likely one of us will spend some days alone.
I can honestly say that I've never felt so loved as I have by her.
I vow that when the time comes, I'll drive you to the ocean every day. We'll stay up in the Mississippi Suite and call ourselves Flash of the